strained to hear, but there it is, the melody. It lifts me up as I let go. It's not enough, but I'm sorry. My mother's voice, my father's arms, the lesson here escapes me. Those angry words, those thoughts I had, I turned my back on you. I lost my head, I lost control. What trust we had, it fell away. But I can change and we can grow. I hear the sound, forgiveness. I hear the sound, forgiveness.